Our next guests produce an innovative blender that uses a vacuum, I'm told, to maximize the taste of the blended ingredients. We're going to find out all about that. We have joining us the sales team leader and sales manager for a company called Hanssem-Ozen. And rather than me butcher your name altogether, tell me your name.
My name is Hyojun Ji.
Absolutely correct.
Yes.
Okay. And you are?
Yujeong.
Yes, you are. Thank you very much.
Hi.
Welcome into Tomorrow. How you guys?
Good, you?
Good, thanks. You're getting a lot of attention at your exhibit.
Yes.
Because people are saying, what's going on here? What do you mean a vacuum blender?
Oh.
And when the guys told me even that they ran across you and thought it was unique, let's have you on the show, I said, what is a vacuum blender? So tell us, what is a vacuum blender?
It's right thing this here.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
very good. So those of you listening on the radio, it's this thing right here. And those of you who have an opportunity visiting us at intotomorrow.com, and you'll see the video of this vacuum blender. But how do you describe it? Let's say you're on the phone with someone who's not seen it, and they say, what is it? What do you tell them?
Well, it's to start about, it's a normal blender, but with a vacuumizing function in it. So firstly, you have to vacuumize the container, which pumps the air out of it. And that causes the molecules get bigger. And that means that you can blend it way more smoothly, more finely than the normal blenders.
Really? So it actually does it help to make like a smoothie taste better, or is
Of
it
course.
really because you vacuum the air out of it, increasing the molecules
And it gets more finely mixed, like the blended, yeah.
more finely blended, whatever ingredients there are.
Whatever
so
it is.
smoothies is one example. What else would you use it for?
For juice or smoothies.
Juice. And
Yes.
would you use it for anywhere you would use a blender otherwise? You could use something like this?
Of course.
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
It's a blender after all.
I'm asking, it's a blender, right? But I've never seen such a thing. Give us an idea. There's a couple of balloons in here that you brought for demo. You got to see the video at intotomorrow.com. So show me how you would demonstrate how this works.
So,
And what are we going to see? We're not going to eat the balloons. This is just okay.
It's
Good.
not a butter juice.
Okay, good. It's
Yeah.
not balloon juice.
Yeah.
All right. So tell me
yeah.
what happened and describe what you're doing, and then we'll watch it on video as you're doing it.
Okay, this is right now vacuumized, so this container has like less air inside. So like if you just like have to pull this open a little bit, because there is a air pump that pumps the air out. So this is the start.
So she's lifting kind of the top of the blender, which is rather unique anyway. It's on a hinge and kind of opens up, and it's an air pump, okay? And
as
then
you
you would
can
have
see-
the blender, I guess, glass or container as you would normally, all right? And I see the balloon is at the maximum level.
And so if I pull the lid up, the air will start to go in again in a normal condition.
Oh, okay.
So you're just gonna do that.
And we're watching the balloons get very tiny. But it's kind of suggesting that if that were food particles,
Of course,
you're,
yeah.
Of course.
you're sucking the air out, so you also can put more food in, it seems, yes?
Yeah.
So therefore, it can be even tastier, whatever ingredients you're doing. And now what happens when you turn it on?
So,
let's
like,
show us what happens here.
This is at the beginning when we start to blend.
Yeah.
So it is like, as you can see, smaller, and
Right.
you turn this button on, and there's this vacuum button.
There's a vacuum button that she's about to push. And then, okay, so now the balloons are getting bigger.
Because the air is getting pumped out.
Uh-huh.
And since there are like less oxygens inside, the vitamins, the colors, and the nutritions, they tend to stay longer because the oxidation process is like slowed down.
Oh, it actually kind of makes sense to me, which is scary. I understand
Yeah.
what you're saying. And the ability to put in more ingredients and make a richer taste of
Yes.
whatever it is you're trying to make.
Yeah.
Now, what is the auto button? What does that do?
So we don't have the blending container right now. This is just a container to like vacuumize and put juices in when it's done.
Okay.
So if you press the automatic button, it starts to vacuumize first, and it starts to blend. So the whole blending.
So we would have
yeah.
blended balloons in the
Of course, yeah.
demonstration. We don't want to do that. See, I almost hit the auto button
Well,
trying to demonstrate it, but then I would have ruined your balloons. I
Yeah,
guess.
but the good thing is, for safety reasons, if you don't lock it, this
Yeah.
doesn't function. So like you can see like
okay.
this light is on, but this
Right.
light isn't.
I
So you
see.
can only work it. You can only press it when the light is on.
And there's a big dial in front that allows you to do low speed, high
Yeah.
speed,
Yes,
just like you would any
can
other
control
button.
manually.
And also pulse.
Got you. Oh, for pulse use as well. Is this available now?
We are looking for distributors and retailers at the market right now.
Okay. And do you have a suggested price when the product is available? And I'm told possibly before the end of the year, even in the U.S.
Maybe
So-
retail price will be maybe about 350 or US dollars.
350 US dollars. Okay, so it's more than you'd spend on a normal
Yes,
blender,
yes.
but it does more. Your normal blender doesn't suck the air out of balloons. But this one does.
Yeah, this one does.
You want to visit them. Of course, we'll link you to their site because it's a little more unusual than some, but Hanssem-Ozen.com. It's HANSSEM-OZEN.com. Again, we'll get you there when you visit us at intotomorrow.com. We thank you both for joining us for a few minutes. Good luck at the IFA and continued success.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
We're back with more as IFA continues from Berlin, Germany. I'm Dave Graveline. This is Into Tomorrow on the Advanced Media Network as we blend the air out of more balloons.